The issue "the document is untagged" will appear in your Blackboard Ally accessibility report if you have a PDF that does not have tags in it that would let a screen reader know what part of the document is what type of content. For example, letting a reader know this is a figure, this is a paragraph, this is a header. This can be a complex issue to address, so we recommend seeing if there is an updated version of this PDF that already exists out there that you can use to replace this one that is tagged. But if you need to fix the tags yourself, you can download the original PDF from Blackboard. When in Adobe Pro, you'll want to typically click View More and prepare for accessibility. You can automatically tag the PDF, but this is often filled with errors. Instead, we're going to check for accessibility, start checking, and notice that the accessibility checker that appears on the right will let us know that this is not a tagged PDF. If you click Fix, it will try that auto tagging function, and this may be successful and fix the issue in Blackboard. However, it might not be effective. Instead, we can click the reading order pane to see the different tags that are available inside of this PDF. These numbers let us know what is being read in what order on the page, and we can select Fix Reading Order to manually select what types of objects are located within this document. For example, the fallacies here is actually a heading, so I can select Heading, and that will tag that as a heading so that a screen reader will know that this is the heading of a paragraph. When I am done tagging and ensuring that my tags are correct, I will upload this PDF into Blackboard to fix the issue.